Good afternoon and welcome back to Saltine at the Main. My name is Mark BEYER. I'm the Chief Mixologist for the Main. We're out from behind the bar, and behind our bar cart, our newest addition to brunch, we're going to be making a standard Bloody Mary, but I'm going to do this one up just to show you all the options that we have and then some. I'm going to rim this one in Old Bay. I'm going to do a half rim, so if you don't want to do Old Bay all over the rim, you can do that as well. I'm going to add a hefty amount of Tabasco and then 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna add some cracked pepper to balance out some of that heat and spice. And then we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of Ava vodka out of the Cavalier distillery that is Tarnished Truth Distilling. And this is their premium Ava vodka. And then we're gonna add our tomato juice. Next, between our 2 large shaker tins, we're gonna be tossing this. We're just going to fully incorporate a little aeration, not to mention it's a lot of fun. Then we're going to add our ice, and then add the rest of our cocktail. And then we can garnish any way you like. In this case, I'm going to do some olives, a lemon, and even a cocktail shrimp available for you. There we are.